In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide constraints in Fusion 360 if your sketch is starting to feel cluttered with tiny symbols for coincident, parallel, tangent, and other constraints. This quick tip will help you clean up your view so you can focus on dimensions and geometry without visual noise. Don't worry, hiding constraints only affects what you see. It doesn't remove or change any of the relationships in your sketch. Start by opening your sketch in Fusion 360. You can do this by opening your design and entering the sketch you want to work with. If you see your model but none of the sketch tools, make sure you're actually in an active sketch. Double-click the sketch in the browser or right-click it and choose Edit Sketch. You'll know you're in the right place when the sketch tools appear and your sketch geometry is highlighted on the canvas. Next, look to the right side of the screen for the sketch palette. This floating panel controls a handful of visual and behavioral options for sketches. If you don't see it, it's usually because no sketch is active, so make sure you're editing a sketch. In the sketch palette, find the option labeled Show Constraints. This is the toggle that controls whether those small constraint icons appear on your geometry. To hide the constraint symbols, simply uncheck the box for Show Constraints. Instantly, the little icons for constraints will disappear from the canvas, giving you a much cleaner view of your lines, arcs, and dimensions. This is especially helpful when you're dimensioning crowded areas or presenting your sketch to someone else. And keep in mind, you've only hidden the symbols. The constraints themselves, like coincident or parallel relationships, are still fully active and will continue to control the behavior of your geometry. If at any point you need to diagnose why something won't move or you want to confirm which constraints are applied, just return to the sketch palette and check the Show Constraints box again. The icons will reappear exactly as before, letting you inspect or edit as needed. Toggling this option on and off is a great way to switch between a clean working view and a detailed diagnostic view without changing any of your design intent. That's all there is to it. Open your sketch, find Show Constraints in the sketch palette and uncheck it to hide the symbols. Use it whenever you need clarity and re-enable it when you need insight. Thanks for watching and happy sketching in Fusion 360.